Hello, and welcome back to your journey of healing. I'm your host, Tracey Perry, and today we're going to peel back the layers of life, faith, and those, Lord, I cannot do this alone seasons. If you've ever looked around at the pieces of your life and wondered, is restoration even possible for me? Today's episode is your reminder that God doesn't just restore. He rebuilds, raises up, and repairs. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's talk about God's restoration blueprint. The God who rebuilds what was broken. So our key scripture is going to be in Isaiah 58:12. Your people will rebuild the ancient ruins. So let's just be honest for a moment. Sometimes life just feels like a demolition site. There's major emotional earthquakes, relational fires, spiritual erosion. But the truth is, God is not intimidated by ruins. He specializes in rebuilding what looks like unsalvageable. Rebuilding means that God works from the foundation up. He removes what wasn't stable and he reconstructs with strength, intention, and purpose. Sometimes we think God is just fixing us up. No, he's really just rebuilding you completely with better materials and a firmer foundation. So think about this. Where in your life has God started rebuilding you? Even if it doesn't look like it's finished yet, where has that rebuilding started? The God who raises up what fell down. You will raise up the foundations of many generations. This part of the restoration is so good. God isn't just working on your life. He's raising something up inside you that will outlast you, because that means that you are breaking generational patterns. You are establishing spiritual foundations. You are becoming who your future family will thank God for. And you are the one that God is raising up so others can rise too. Take others with you. It's amazing when that can happen. Sometimes God brings you through battles that you didn't even start, so the people coming after you won't have to fight them. So what are those generational habits, patterns, or wounds that God is helping you rise above? There's so many instances in my life where this portion of this study, this restoration, I have so many stories about restoration, generational patterns especially, that I've had to break through. As a result, I bring my children, my grandchildren, I can raise them up too. I pick up my grandchildren on Sunday mornings, take them to church, and my youngest granddaughter handed me a drawing that she made after she got in the truck Sunday morning. And it said, "Grandma, thank you for taking me to church." In addition, she made the same type of drawing for her two teachers that she has Sunday morning. And they both said, "Thank you for teaching me about God." That's what I'm talking about, friend. Those are the things that he restores. He isn't just working on your life. He's working in your life to restore what was once broken. God repairs what was torn. Scripture tells us you will be called repairer of the breach. The breach often refers to a gap, something that was broken through, torn down, left exposed. You've heard of the saying, standing in the gap. So standing in the gap for someone, repair of the breach. There's something missing. Part of the road is not paved all the way through, and there's a gap. You see, friend, God doesn't just heal your wounds. He repairs the gaps. He paves that section of road that's missing. What's missing? Places where you didn't have peace, where you didn't have stability or identity. Those are the places where the enemy tries to sneak in. The places where pain left you vulnerable. Repairing looks like boundaries that you've never had before, confidence rooted in identity, not approval, spiritual maturity that closes old doors, peace in places that were once chaotic, and wisdom where there was once confusion. Once God repairs the breaches in you, you become someone who helps repair the breaches in other people. I'm a firm believer that we go through things so we can help others, so we can minister to others. That's what we're supposed to do. And yes, I understand that God can give you some hard stuff, but that hard stuff, He wants you to lean on Him for support and repair you so that you can help repair others. There's a 3-step restoration pattern. So I know you're wondering, okay, God, how do I walk out of this? So the blueprint was given to us in Isaiah 58. First of all, He rebuilds us. So let God deal with what's beneath the surface, your foundation. Healing really begins with honesty. Also, Isaiah 58 tells us to raise up. So let Him elevate you into strength, identity. This is a season of becoming. Becoming what? Becoming strong, becoming healthy, becoming confident, becoming restored. The third part of this blueprint is repair. Let Him use your healed places to help heal others. Absolutely nothing in your story is wasted. This isn't a quick fix process. It's a divine architectural plan, but the end result is beauty for ashes, strength for weakness, purpose for pain. So I want to give you this declaration, and I want you to speak this with me. Speak this over your life. God is rebuilding what I thought was ruined. He is raising up what felt lost. He is repairing what was torn. My story is not ending in brokenness. It is becoming a testimony of restoration. If today's message blessed you today and you want deeper healing, I want to invite you to join my women's community, Your Journey of Healing. Over on the school community, I have Bible studies, support, support. I have um, guided daily Bible lessons. There's a bunch of downloadable PDFs for you. You can also check out the website at www.yourjourneyofhealing.net. You can also, over on school, you can start with free for 7 days. So you can kind of look around and see if it's a good fit for you. I will leave all of those links in the show notes so you can take a look at those at your discretion. But I want you to remember that you are in a season of restoration and God is the master builder. So keep walking, keep trusting, keep healing, and always remember you are worthy and you are loved.